Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload photo to Canva mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva mobile application. And if you want to upload photo to this Canva, we can go to the upload menu right here. Okay, and here as you can see, those are the photos I have uploaded to Canva, and I'm going to upload new photo. So I'm going to tap on upload files right here, and I'm going to go to my gallery. I'm going to tap on gallery, and I'm going to pick a random photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo. Click on done. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Now the photo is being uploaded. Okay, and now it's done guys, and after the photo has been uploaded to the Canva, we will be able to add the photo to our design. I'm going to tap on that, and now the photo has been added to my design. Alright guys, and that's all the way to upload a photo to Canva mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!